Let's look at the chart action for Nokia. Before we do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more chart videos. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're on the weekly right now, and let's draw some trend lines. Got the top right here. Get the bottom right here, something like that. Okay, so now we could also see this other trend line that we got going within this pattern. It's moving upwards like that. I'm kind of wondering whether it is going to get support on this line right here, like it just did, or if it is going to break down and get support down here, something like that. The reason I am curious about this is because, so we're on the weekly right now, and as you can see, this moving average, the price is beneath it right now, which is not good. And if you go to the monthly, we are also beneath it right now. So I am thinking that we're going to break down, in my opinion. The other thing, though, is it seems like the hourly is kind of getting a little bit of support. It is moving a little bit in and out right here and finding a little bit of support on this trend line. So I'm not 100% sure yet still. The one thing I do like, though, is if you go into the daily, we are really close and have been testing this daily moving average. If we can just pop up and stay above this line right here and just kind of ride in between maybe something like this for a while until we can pop above that weekly, then maybe that's a scenario we want to be kind of thinking about as far as bullish goes, because that'll keep us from just falling down. But I also think that since these weekly and monthly moving averages, it's kind of saying that we're gonna it's kind of looks like we're gonna be going down until we can pop back through them. If we do go down, I would, like I said, I would probably look at this next trend line for support right here. So that is a possible target of around maybe 240, something like that, 250 approximately, which is around 36% drop. Yeah, so I would say let's hold off. I would hold off until we start breaking above like this daily moving average and the weekly moving average and the monthly. So by that I mean I want to break above this line right here. I want to break above this line right here on the weekly. I want to break above this line right here on the monthly. So that's around 4.14. Until we break above that, then I'm not really going to be as at this point right now. I do think it's still going to take a while before, I think we might be in this time frame right here for a while before we break out of this bigger triangle, but that's just my opinion. I kind of wanted to do a poll. So there should be a marker in the corner. Do you guys think it is going to break down on this level, or do you think it's going to hold support and we're going to stay in this triangle pattern up here? Break down or hold support? Let me know what you guys think. I do still think that we can possibly get a target of, if we go into the monthly and get this bigger, huge triangle going. I still think eventually we can maybe get this target somewhere like this. And I mean, this is to the bottom of this trend line. This would be, you would take this target and put it wherever the breakout would be, so it's possible it'd be a little bit higher. But let's just say it's at the lowest point and we do come back to this second high. That's kind of my target in general, is that second high right here. So my strategy is pick up down here, and then let's see if we could break out of this triangle later on. Alright, if you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to keep up to date. But other than that, you guys have a great day.